allowed to go to heaven.
Get jacked? Get jacked.
You can get jacked at, what do you call it, in the gym.
I don't have to go to the gym anymore. There's only one around. There's only one around.
Jumper, Nikita. Yeah. Jumper. Every match, 1 minute. So you have to get it done right there and then. I think it's like a line of yellow.
Get your arm back, Nikita! Get your arm back! Get your arm back!
Turn the other way!
Hold her!
Re-roll her, Nikita!
6 seconds!
2, 1. Good job, Nikita! No, it's point. Red. Yeah, Nikita. Our team has had such luck with that.
Nikita!
Right out of the circle.
Get in position first.
I'm very happy that
Nikita, get in. Don't touch your hands.
Why is she going now? She knows that she's going to go for a double.
You can do it, Nikita.
Change your move, Nikita. Change. Just out of the circle, Nikita. Just plow her out.
Yeah, you are.
Out, out.